What causes vertical ridges on the nails?
Onychorrhexis is a condition where vertical ridges form in your nails. Onychorrhexis causes ridges and splitting in your nails. Onychorrhexis involves the nail matrix, which is responsible for making your nail grow. Problems in making skin cells and the skin protein called keratin can change how your nails grow, leading to onychorrhexis. If your diet doesn't include enough iron, protein, or folic acid, you can experience problems in how your nails grow. This may be caused by a diet that isn't well balanced or by malnutrition from bulimia or other eating disorders. Taking a multivitamin may help in this case. A deficiency in B vitamins will also cause vertical ridges in your nails. They are sometimes called longitudinal striations or bands. These ridges appear as groups in line from the tip of the nail to the base. Stress or eating lots of refined foods can deplete vitamins from your body, especially vitamin B12. These deficiencies can cause anemia. Anemia stops nutrients from getting where they need to be in your nail bed. Boost your B12 and B vitamins by eating shellfish, nutritional yeast, wild salmon and pork. Taking apple cider vinegar capsules daily will help your stomach absorb more B vitamins from your food. Onychorrhexis can also be a sign of an underlying health problem. Conditions that can cause onychorrhexis include anemia, arteriosclerosis, thyroid disease, brittle nail syndrome, Whitcup syndrome, graft versus host disease, systemic amyloidosis, rheumatoid arthritis, systemic sclerosis, osteoarthritis, low iron, not enough protein, aging, and picking at your nails, and other trauma. Do not stop taking any prescribed medications or treatments without consulting your doctor. The materials and the information contained on this channel are provided for general and educational purposes only and do not constitute any legal, medical or other professional advice on any subject matter.